Alright guys, let's take a quick look here at SEI. Now keep in mind I do have a small bag of SEI, and yeah, I'm not sure if I really want to pick up more of this or not, but it is having an excellent day. It's up about 20%, and it's been up a lot more actually earlier today. Now, this is the whole history of SEI. So it's a fairly new coin, and that's probably why I don't want to invest too much into projects that are just unknown. Now, we did look at this a while back, and I did draw this trend line, and as you can see, this broke out in mid-July. And yeah, I mean, you can see if I zoom in, this weekly candle looks pretty nice. It's still, midweek, and yeah, I mean, it's starting to take out pretty much the whole summer range. And, to get really bullish on SEI, guys, I think we're going to have to break up above about 70 cents. And then I'm going to be much more bullish on this. Now, for the last 4 weeks, as you can see, we have had green weeks, which is nice to see, guys. And let's put this on the daily time frame so we can see a little bit more. So yeah, you can see we just kind of, bumped along this 38.5 cents resistance, and right now we are getting rejected from 47.3 cents. So let's see what can happen, guys. Now, Bitcoin, on the other hand, sitting at about 63.4. It's having almost a bearish engulfing candle. Not nice to see. But guys, as you can see, before we broke through yesterday, we did hit this resistance here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times before breaking through. Now we hit the 64.7, 64.8 mark just today. I think we did hit it yesterday. Yeah, okay, and the day before. So we've hit it 3 times. So maybe we hit it for another 2 times, and then we break, above, and then we've got to work on this trend line, guys. That's the infamous trend line, which has held us down for many, many, many months since we pretty much made a new all-time high back in March. We did hit it in April, May, June, hit it several times in July. Didn't get, close really in August. I mean, it's like $2,500. I mean, in Bitcoin terms, that really isn't that far. But anyways, we didn't really get too close, and we're getting closer, this month, this September. So we still have, 5 more days in this month. We'll see if we can hit it. And if we do, let's hope to break it, guys. Now, this double bottom pattern that I've drawn here with these blue marks, the target is up here at about $74,500, guys. So keep that in mind. So let's take a quick look at Bitcoin dominance. Now, dominance has pretty much gone sideways, I can say. So not too much to talk about here. Let's hope we can just get the dominance to kind of plummet. That's what we really want to see if, you have a ton of altcoins. I don't own any Bitcoin myself personally. And that's just, I want to be honest with you guys. So I don't know why I clicked that. But anyways, let's move on here. Now tomorrow you do have, continuing jobless claims. You got durable goods, core PCE prices, GDP. You got a lot of speakers tomorrow. Going to be very volatile tomorrow. So keep an eye on that. Most of this takes place at 14:30 Eastern Standard Time, which if you're in Central Europe, that's about 8:30, Central European time. So, yeah. Sorry, guys. No, this is 14:30 our time in Central Europe. Sorry, this is 8:30 Eastern time. So I probably made a mistake on my Mina protocol video earlier. So, anyways, just want to correct that now. Yeah, I just looked up here, but yeah, the current time 21:20. Yeah, so this is our time and 8:30 Eastern time in America. Anyways, quick look here at the interest rate cuts. Basically, there's 61% believing in a half-point cut, 25 basis point cut is, almost 40% believing we're going to get that. Still, I think it's relatively early, so I don't really want to speculate here because, as we saw last time, it could easily flip. from 50 to 25, or like the last cut, it was basically it flipped from 25 to 50 really quickly. So we just have to wait, guys. November 7th is still, about a month and a half away. Fear and Greed, guys, 59. It's actually in greed now. Yesterday was kind of neutral. But if we do get this candle as it is now, it looks like we're dumping even a little bit more at 63.2. I do expect that this will move down, maybe even to about 54, 53, but we'll see, guys. Now, if we look at the altcoin season index here, it's 31. It has come down in the last couple of days. But, guys, I really think that this, altcoin season is going to start very, very, very soon. So I wouldn't worry too much about it. But according to this, we're closer to Bitcoin season than altcoin season right now. Crypto bubbles, basically, many of these projects are in green. I'd say at least 70% are probably in green. Now that Bitcoin is dumping a little bit more right now, at the moment, the current time, you do see a little bit more red than the previous video that I made with Mina Protocol. So yeah, I mean, we'll see. Hopefully Bitcoin can, work its way back up. Now, if you want to basically stake your SEI, you need to go to Coinondo and you need to click on Earn. This is Mina. I just did a video on that. But if you do SEI, you need to write SEI. And yeah, and Bybit, actually, I'm surprised they have 17% right now. That's interesting to see. I need to check that out myself. I'm not sure how much it's going to cost me to send it from where I have it to Bybit, but we'll see. Maybe I'll look into that. But HTX, I don't really trust. I do have an XT.com account, so yeah, 60 days for 10,000 SEI. Maximum is 4.8%. And I think I have mine in BitTrue right now, guys. So as you can see, I'm only earning about 4% at the moment, but it is flexible. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you on SEI. Let's see if it can break this resistance at 47.3. Then you have 52.7 on a daily time frame, and then 56.5 cents up here in a weekly time frame. Now, I don't want to get too far ahead. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you on SEI and Bitcoin at the moment. Let's hope that this dump can, pick itself back up. And yeah, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.